Fashion trends come and go, but creativity never goes out of style. Have you ever spotted an outfit online and thought, I wish I had something like that, only to realize you might already have everything you need tucked away in your closet? That's exactly what today's video is all about. I found another collection of incredible upcycled clothing ideas on Pinterest, and they're filled with clever ways to transform everyday garments into stylish, one-of-a-kind creations. Some of these projects use simple changes that make a dramatic difference, while others completely reinvent the original piece until it's almost impossible to guess what it started as. What I love about upcycling is that it encourages us to see possibilities instead of limitations. A shirt that's too plain can become a statement piece. A pair of jeans that's no longer your style can be given an entirely new purpose. Even garments that seem destined for the donation pile can become the foundation for something fresh, fun, and uniquely yours. Every project is a reminder that creativity isn't about having the newest supplies or the biggest budget. It's about looking at ordinary things with a fresh perspective. As you're watching today, don't just look at the finished results. Pay attention to the creative ideas behind them, because sometimes one small detail is all it takes to inspire your next project. You might discover a color combination you've never considered, an interesting way to reshape a garment, or a simple finishing touch that completely changes the look. If you see a design you'd love to recreate, be sure to vote for it by leaving its number in the comments below. Once we reach 100 votes, I may recreate the winning design here on the channel so we can see exactly how it's made. You'll also find a link to the original Pinterest inspiration in the description. Now, let's jump into today's collection of amazing upcycled clothing ideas and see which one sparks your creativity the most. As you continue watching these amazing transformations, I hope they encourage you to trust your own creativity a little more. You don't have to own a room full of expensive equipment or have years of sewing experience to create something meaningful. Every finished project is simply the result of taking that first step and being willing to learn along the way. There will always be little things you'd change if you made it again, but that's part of growing as a maker. Each project teaches you something new, and every stitch adds to your experience. Before long, you'll begin looking at thrift stores, garage sales, clearance racks, and even your own closet with a completely different perspective. Instead of asking, "What is this?" you'll start asking, "What could this become?" That's when the real fun begins, because the possibilities become almost endless. If you're looking for even more inspiration after today's video, don't forget to check out the sewing and upcycling tutorial videos. along with the playlists I've linked in the description. You'll also find links to some of my favorite sewing tools, supplies, and other products that you might find useful for your everyday sewing adventures. One of the things I find most inspiring about upcycling is that it reminds us creativity isn't something we're born with or without. It's something we build every time we choose to create. Every project starts with a simple decision to see potential, where someone else might only see an old piece of clothing. That's a pretty amazing way to look at the world, because once you begin thinking that way, it doesn't stop with sewing. You start noticing possibilities everywhere. A forgotten shirt becomes the beginning of a brand new outfit. A pair of jeans that's been sitting in the back of the closet suddenly becomes your next creative project. Little by little, your confidence grows, and before you know it, you're creating things you never imagined you could make. That's why I encourage you not to compare your work to anyone else's. Every person behind a sewing machine started as a beginner, learning one stitch, one technique, and one project at a time. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. My hope is that today's collection inspires you to try something new, enjoy the creative process, and maybe even discover a talent you never realized you had. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. There is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I'll see you there.